Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to turn off anti-aircraft or AA guns in World of Warships. First, AA guns are automatic by default. They fire at enemy aircraft when in range. However, some ships allow you to manually turn off anti-aircraft to prevent wasting shells or ammunition. Here is how. Enter a battle and select a ship with a manual AA control. So probably this one has one as well. Press P on your keyboard and this toggles auto anti-aircraft on and off. Some ships will also allow you to switch between AA modes using AA control key in settings. To check if it worked, look at your AA guns. If they stopped firing at planes automatically, auto AA is off. You can still manually aim and fire AA turrets if your ship supports it. Tips: turn off anti-aircraft if you want to avoid wasting shells on low-threat aircraft. Some high-tier ships have very powerful anti-aircraft, and manual control can help conserve ammo. Check on Settings, and go to Controls. And here scroll down till you find Disable Anti-Aircraft or Secondary Guns. And that's it. Use the P key on your keyboard to turn off anti-aircraft in World of Warships.